Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time you've come across this channel, please kindly subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. I really appreciate. So I'm here today with another wonderful video. How I use tomatoes to boost egg production in my poultry farm. We are going to see how I'm going to prepare these tomatoes and give it to my birds. First of all what you need to do is to get fresh ripe tomatoes. Fresh ripe tomatoes, you have to wash it very well. So we are going to look at some benefits of using tomatoes in our poultry farms. Tomatoes are rich in minerals and they are also rich in vitamins, and these are very good for our birds. So all what you need to do is to get your fresh tomatoes, ripe, fresh, not unripe, please. You have to get your ripe tomatoes. Here are my tomatoes properly washed, and now I'm going to chop them into smaller pieces. So another thing is that how often do you give tomatoes to your birds? This is what you can do just once in a week, and it will boost their immune system. When their immune system is high, you will not have any reason to be treating them different type of diseases, which means they will not fall sick. Chop the tomatoes into smaller pieces, just the way I'm cutting these ones. Guys, you can see how my birds are going to rush these tomatoes. They love eating tomatoes so much. And tomatoes is something that you can get it. You can get it anywhere. Tomatoes is everywhere, you can get it. So I'm done chopping my tomatoes. You can see it finely chopped. You can see. And now we are going to serve it to our birds. So you are going to see how they are going to rush it. Wow. They can't wait. Wow, there's so much love eating tomatoes. Mm. So as you can see, it's not something new to them. So thanks so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like and share.